In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a shopping cart in Kajabi. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional checkout experience that matches your brand and makes it easy for customers to buy. Start on your Kajabi dashboard and head to the Sales section, then open the Cart tab. This is your control center for checkout. Think of it as the place where you set the tone for how your customers move from "I'm interested" to "I've purchased." So we'll make a few thoughtful choices here. Begin with your button styling. Choose colors that align with your brand, but also have strong contrast so they're easy to see and tap, especially on mobile. Keep your call to action text short and action-oriented, like "Buy now" or "Complete purchase." Consistency in color and wording across your site helps reinforce trust and reduces confusion. Next, decide which payment providers you'll accept. Pick the options that make sense for your audience and region. Offering familiar methods can increase conversions, but don't overwhelm people with too many choices. If you already connected providers inside Kajabi, they'll appear here for you to enable. Keep an eye on currency and availability if you sell internationally. Set up how you want to handle sales tax. If you sell in areas where tax applies, enable the appropriate settings so the correct amount is calculated at checkout. Accurate tax handling protects your business and sets clear expectations with customers. If you're unsure which rules apply to you, it's a good idea to check local requirements. Choose what customer information to collect at checkout, such as name, address, and phone number. Only request what you genuinely need. Fewer required fields usually mean higher conversion rates. For digital products, you may not need a full address. For physical goods, you will. Make optional fields clearly optional to reduce friction. Decide whether to require service agreement consent. A clear checkbox for terms, refund policies, or a service agreement helps with compliance and sets expectations. Make sure the linked policy page is easy to read and up to date. When everything looks good, save your changes so they apply across your checkout. Now, enable the cart icon in your site header so shoppers can access their cart from anywhere. Open your page or theme editor, go to the header settings, and check Enable Cart. This adds a recognizable cart icon to your navigation. Confirm it's visible on both desktop and mobile, and that the icon color stands out against your header background. That's it. You've configured your cart settings and made the cart accessible site-wide, creating a smoother path to purchase for your customers.